Here's the little video of the twins. Penny's on the left, staring at us, and Jimmy is right there. Jimmy. Penny. Penny is a total lap cat, and Jimmy wants to be on your back or your shoulders at all times. Here. Penny. Penny. It's like they know each other's place. Penny would never try to steal Jimmy's thunder. They are definitely a bonded pair. They even go to the bathroom at the same time. They're about 3.5 years old. They have a little bit of asthma, both of them. It kind of flares up sometimes in the summer. Nothing major, but they do cough a little bit. Jimmy, say bye-bye. Oh, and there's Blake.